Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over the Air Jordan 1 Satin Snakeskin in the red colorway that we have dropping very soon. So I'm just doing a video here basically discussing how you guys will be able to cop these sneakers, and I will also be giving a resale prediction on them, kind of what they will go for, and you know, kind of what I think the money will be behind these. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'll go over a guide on buying them on sneakers and on other places. So if you guys want more content like this, you go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like in this video. If this one hits 200 likes, I'll definitely do another. So let's try and hit 200 likes on this one. And be sure you guys go ahead and drop a comment too, your thoughts on these sneakers. I'd love to hear it. And I'd really love to see you guys go down below to my Instagrams right now. I'll pop them up on the screen, but right now I'm doing a giveaway for 30K. Since we had 30K a little bit back, doing a giveaway right now for a $300 streetwear mystery box. So if you guys want to go enter that down below in the description. I wouldn't want to see you all miss out on that. And I apologize for the background noise. It's your boy's Call of Duty going on, which he needs to turn off. I don't know why I had the little accent there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. So go and turn that, and let's get discussing how you guys can cop these sneakers for retail right now. Alright, so these Satin Snake Air Jordan 1s in the red colorway, these are dropping for $170, and they're dropping on August 6th. So these are coming in about a week or so from today when this video will be coming out. And you know, I think these sneakers are pretty cool. They're personally not my style, so I won't be picking these up for the personal collection. But I think they're a really good investment. You can actually make some good money on them if you are trying to resell them. But if you're just looking for a pair for the personal, August 6th, 170, stay tuned, very important. These are also another detail about these sneakers is that they're dropping in women's sizes only. So women's sizes, kid sizes, and toddler sizes only. So if you're looking to get a size, make sure you go a size and a half to 2 sizes up to really get your true size. I'd recommend just going 2 sizes up because if you buy a size 8 in women's, it's not going to fit like a size 8 men's. So make sure if you're buying a size 8, buy like a size 10 if you really want it to fit like yours. But the sneakers app will automatically adjust the size for like the women's app, or not for the women's app, for the women's shoes to your size in men's, so you don't have to worry about changing the size. They'll do that, or they should, but you can just double check and do all that. But how about we discuss how you guys can cop off the sneakers app? Actually, I have kind of like a different format that I've planned for that, so let's discuss how you guys can cop off sneakers right now. Alright, so as you can see, I'm right here with the screen recording format. As I said, this is kind of what I was going to do. So you can see like my screen here, I'm on my desktop. So basically, hopefully I'm not covering my information, but I'm going to really be discussing the main parts to have success with copying on sneakers, and really with success on the sneakers app. So first thing is that you can make multiple accounts on the sneakers, and you can ship stuff to the same address. It's just hard. So I'm going to be explaining how to do that. So how you guys can make multiple accounts is you have multiple devices. So maybe you have multiple phones, like you have an iPad, computer, phone, and you use all those, and you set up a sneakers account on each one of those devices using a different email for each. So just use like a different Gmail, and preferably use a Gmail that has like a lot of activity, like one that you use often, because that just makes it look like more legit, so you know. And another piece of info I just want to drop with copying on sneakers is that with using the same PayPal, be very careful with that. I mean, you can use the same PayPal to check out on everything. I've seen people do like double orders or triple orders on the same PayPal to the same address by just like altering the address and doing all that. It's just very hard to do that because, if Nike sees like the same transaction on the same account for the same sneaker, then you know what they're gonna think. They're gonna think you bought it, and they're gonna ban you, you know what I mean? Or they're gonna get to work and not ship your stuff, and you're not gonna get your stuff. The orders are gonna get canceled. That's a very common thing, is like a lot of multiple orders have gotten canceled before. So I wouldn't recommend using the same PayPal email. I think you can use the same card, but if you want to use a different payment method for each account, that's a very safe way to go with it. But I think you can use the same card, just don't use the same PayPal. I mean, you can try the double or like 2 checkouts per PayPal, but I mean, it's just kind of risky. So one thing I want to say, and also what I mean by altering the address, because obviously you can't ship the same sneaker. Let's say you hit on multiple sneakers accounts, like let's say you have 5 devices set up and you hit on 1 or 2 accounts. I mean, that is possible. That'd be a very lucky day to even hit on 2 accounts like that. That was a crazy stutter. Or not even a stutter. I don't even know what I was just saying there. Like, I messed up the word so badly. But yeah, basically this is, I mean, you don't want to mess up this part, so it's very important. Make sure you're altering the address. Just add like room 1 or room 2 in front of the address. So wherever your address address is, just add like room 1 or like apartment 1, just to make it seem like you're living in like some condos or something, so like Nike isn't sus, you know, about shipping a bunch of the same sneakers to the same address, or it won't look like that at all. So that's very important. And another thing I want to point out is that this drop isn't a raffle. This isn't one that you have a bunch of time to wait on. So get there. It's dropping at 10 a.m. Eastern time. You're not gonna have 10 minutes to buy it. You want to be there right when it drops, so be there. Very, 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 very important right there. I don't want y'all to miss on that. Oh, my throat is so dry. I need some like water, bro. I guess the last thing I want to say before I get some water is use Wi-Fi over data. That is just, I mean, data is good, but I mean, if you're on the go, then use data. That's no like problem, no issue. But I mean, if you're at your house, use Wi-Fi. Obviously, that is just better always. And you know, just 'cause that's very important. So don't forget to alter your address. Just add like room 1 and then your address, or like room 2 and then your address for like each account. I don't want y'all to see messing up on simple mistakes. So use different emails. Don't use the same PayPal. I mean, it's just risky going with that. But I want to see y'all resell this drop. It's going to do well, so don't miss out on that. But if you're maybe tripping about copping sneakers because you think it's going to be hard, or you're just not sure really, it's too complicated, then basically I'm going to show you all some other places where they're actually going to be dropping, just kind of like a normal drop that you can go for them on. So let's get into the places where it's dropping aside from sneakers and the resale prediction too. Alright, so we back again right here on some other places that you can cop aside from the sneakers app. So some places that they're dropping: Foot Locker, East Bay, YCMC.com, Champ Sports, Finish Line, JD Sports, Foot Action. I mean, you see all the logos on the screen right here. These are all places they're dropping at 10 a.m. Eastern time also. So if you don't want to go for the sneakers drop, or you maybe want to have a couple devices going for the sneakers drop, you know, and also, you know, you may be on your computer trying to go for this, well, you have plenty of websites you can go for them on. Obviously, there's great ones. You know, Foot Locker is going to be a good place you can cop them. YCMC will be a good place. Champs will be popular. Finish Line. I mean, these are all good places you can cop them. And not to mention, another thing I want to mention on the screen is that there will also be some raffles. Like 2 places there will be raffles at, most likely will be Foot Patrol and Social Status. So just stay tuned on their Instagrams probably, or just like on their websites. They'll probably drop a raffle for these Satin Air Jordan 1s. I mean, these are fire. You're going to need to be copping these snakeskin ones. I mean, they're clean. I like them. I mean, I'm not gonna like wear them in the personal collection. I couldn't see myself rocking these, or like, I don't know how I'd rock them, but you know, I'll probably be going for these because they will be reselling pretty nice. My prediction on these, I mean, I already see they're going for like 400 bucks, and with that, I mean, like, there's a lot of places they're dropping. It's kind of, I feel like there's a good chance I could get these, but with that, I mean, I think these are gonna go for like 280 to like 350 for sure. That's kind of like my prediction, maybe even more, because I mean, they're already going for 400, and with more pairs releasing, I'm not sure like how much like how many more pairs would like affect the market too much, but I still think there's a lot of money behind these sneakers. I think they're kind of like the tie-dye Jordan 1s, where you hold them and you'll make some money on that for sure. But I mean, there's already going to be money where you cop them from the retail price. I'm just saying, if you hold them, you can make even more money. So that's just something I really think of, and you know, want to kind of discuss. So these are other places that they're dropping. That's my resale prediction. So you're definitely going to make some good money on this release copping, and it won't be too hard. I kind of show you all how you can cop on sneakers and some other places where they'll be available to get them, and it won't be hard to resell these sneakers. You can just resell them straight to like StockX or on GOAT or on Instagram. Make a resale account. I always have advice for resale videos, so go check this out, and I'll kind of tell you all how you could cop. But that's really some other places where you could cop aside from sneakers and my resale prediction. So that's all I gotta say, and let's roll that outro. Anyways, though, if you guys did enjoy this how-to cop for the snakeskin satin one, the satin snakeskin ones, you know, I want to say the name officially, or at least correctly. So if you guys did enjoy, be sure you guys go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like for more content like this. Let's try and hit 200 likes in this video, and I'll definitely bring you guys more videos just like this one. You guys seem to really enjoy the how-to cops, so I'll of course bring you guys more to how-to cops. I kind of like this style, this format. I'll try and be energetic with it, of course, and bring you guys good videos. So that's what I want to do. And don't forget, go follow my Instagram. It's gonna pop them up on the screen right now, but go follow those right now down below, because that's where the giveaway is going on. So if you want to go enter in that $300 giveaway for that streetwear mystery box, just go enter in that. I don't want y'all to miss out, so I've been mentioning it a bunch, and I want y'all to go enter in that. It's that free opportunity. It's international. You can enter anywhere in the world. You can enter. It does not matter. But that's pretty much all your boy has to say. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and that's how you guys can cop those sneakers. So go cop them. That's all I gotta say. So I'm T, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next vid. Peace.